We all love video games, don't we? Okay, some of us, but at least we all have played video games before. And the people who say they have never played a single video game are basically lying to your face. These games have now become an important part of the entertainment industry, as they are a great way of distraction from the daily problems of the world. Whenever you play these games, it just seems so real. Finding clues, solving mysteries, it's like you just want to be there. But in reality, it's just a visual play. Even when you are playing these games, you just think, what if there was an actual scavenger hunt and me and my friends would go out and solve the pieces of the puzzle? Wouldn't that be cool? What if I tell you that these games do actually exist and are the least popular ones of the entertainment industry? It's so underrated that such a small fraction of people even notice them. Well, let me introduce you to a reality game that lets you solve mysteries with cryptic codes, mysterious websites, unlisted videos, and so much more. This reality game is called an ARG. Let me explain. An alternate reality game, or commonly known as ARG, is an online interactive game that lets the player solve some sorts of a puzzle. They are made to give you the illusion that the events that occur in the game are real. All the ARGs that happen usually do not state the fact that they are not real, and that is something that you have to keep an eye on. Because when they do not tell you that they are fake, many of the people play the game with the mindset that they are real. Therefore, they are playing a game but are actually not aware of it, which results in misunderstandings, and more often than not, the makers of the ARG have to pay the price. Most ARGs usually consist of cryptic codes, hidden websites, mysterious videos, and leave it to the audience to find the narrative. The difference between a video game and an ARG is that ARGs create a fine line between a reality and fiction, which makes you more invested in the game and solving the puzzle as if it's real. There are so many ARGs around the internet, and they ask the players to go from one website to another. Some may provide you a phone number in which a voice may answer by providing you a clue, or some may provide you with a business or a sponsor card, or even a QR code that may lead you to a next part of the puzzle. It can come up in any shape or form. The players mostly work together and piece together the bits and pieces of the puzzle to uncover the narrative of the story. Mind you, none of the ARGs till date have been solved without teamwork. Teamwork is the most important aspect while solving the ARG. Social medias like Twitter, Reddit, and Discord are mostly used by communities to start a discussion and the investigation on the game. There are websites like argnet.com that uncover various ARGs that are being taking place currently and that have been taking place in the past as well. They update various events that took place within the ARG. Now, ARGs come and go all the time, and it all depends on the makers of the ARG for how long they want it to be. To name a few of some ongoing ARGs, there are some like I Am Sophie, which is my favorite one among all of the current ones. It's about a rich young girl who is a daughter of a millionaire businessman, and now it's a lot darker as it used to be. There is also an ARG called The Sun Vanished, which has been going on since 2018 and is still happening, where the sun disappears into thin air, and now we know that it's an alien invasion, and our beloved protagonist has to survive. Another one is Dad, played by Nathan Barnett, which is kind of like I Am Poppy, but unlike Poppy, it still has a narrative. Well, these are the only ones that I am still following and can provide you the insights to. If you are interested in any one of them, you can join the Reddit and Discord server where the people are already solving the mystery while putting up their theories and everything. As interesting as ARGs are, there are also some perks that both the makers and the players have to face. Game hijacking, or usually known as game jacking. In an ARG, some people pretend to be associated with the ARG and pretend to be the part of it. This is done mainly to distract or create miscommunication. Well, hello, you have finally reached the outer section of the video, and I'm glad that you did. I know it was a short one, and this is just a surface to an iceberg if I talk about the ARGs. For those of you who are already familiar with them, feel free to share your thoughts down below and what you think of the video. This was made to introduce and explain to the ones who have never heard of it and are hearing it for the first time. Well, to be honest, I don't think anyone besides me in India have even heard about this. And this stuff is just something that I really wanted to introduce to my friends and the people around me. And I guess some of you guys, for those who are interested, will look into it, especially the ones who crave for mysteries. The reason this video looks worse in quality is because this is the first time I had to face a technical issue and I had to use a lower quality software to edit this video and it had a lot of problems. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you guys until next time. Okay, bye bye.